Hey friend, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a lead called Never Ever, and it sounds like this in solo without sidechain, with sidechain in context. Now, if you like this sound, you can get it over here in the description below at Production Music Live's website, and it's the Serum 2 Feelings Pack Volume 2 as well. But if you want to recreate it, you can recreate it with me today, and this is how it sounds. The original sound. We're gonna start by putting here always. Let's deactivate the shaper box. And we're gonna choose first a basic shape saw. Leo, but you already had a saw. Yeah, the phase is different here, so we have to choose this one. Let's deactivate the tooltips. So now if we hover, there's no tooltips. Level a bit up. Randomness down. And that's it. Now we're gonna also activate the noise alpha and Z. And we're gonna choose FM from the noise, but linear. This is a different kind of FM, but still the same principles of FM. You can see how this changes the sound a little bit. Now we're gonna go into envelope 1. Change the attack a little bit. Decay a lot smaller, but we don't hear anything because the sustain is still up, so sustain down. Release a bit up. And we're gonna pick this handle, put it a bit up as well, and this handle a bit down, just a tiny bit. Now we're going to select an MG low 18, A and noise. Put this a bit up. Something like here. Resonance a bit down, drive a bit up. But we're modulating this with envelope 2. And so envelope 2 already here. And something over here. Sustain pretty much all the way down. A bit of attack. A bit of release, sorry. And now a bit of decay, but like a lot of decay. Something over here with the decay. Something like this. Now we're gonna go into the effects section, and we're gonna start with the effects section by choosing a hyper and dimension, just putting the hyper down. This makes the sound a bit more detuned. We're gonna make the sound wider by putting the dimension down and putting the wet of it as well. Now, reverb, hall, as is, a bit more size, a bit more decay, and a bit more wet. EQ, we're going to choose in the EQ a low shelf and a bell. And let's start with the bell. A lot less here. Let's go into something like this. Maybe even higher. Maybe here. And now with the low shelf, we're going to do a lot of a dip here. As it is, cue a bit down. Difference? More mids, less low end, less mud in the sound. Delay. Let's link this. 1/8, dot, and ping pong. A bit more feedback. Let's go with the frequency a bit up. And cue a bit down. But we're gonna go with the mix a lot up. So a lot of delays in a ping pong manner. Now, equalizer again, 2 bells. Let's start with the first one, just a tiny boost in the high end, just to give a bit more spark. Now in the mid-range, somewhere over here, a bit less Q, maybe even less, and let's do a dip here. A bit more Q, let's change a bit of the frequency. Ish like this, bit down, bit up, pretty much like this. Now we're going to choose a high filter, high 12. Why? And we're going to put this all the way down. Why? Just because we want to push a bit of drive here. In context, with Shapebox. But if you go to the original preset, you have a lot more macros and automations to do to make your sound a bit more different. And if you want to get it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.